Hi ladies, this is Jamie. Um, so I have 3 pockets here. This is how many times I've tried to film this video. Yep, 3 times. So I'm a little disappointed, but I'm gonna try again. I don't know if it's gonna fail on me again or not. But you know what? I am determined to get this video out there. So these little pockets are something I've seen from a woman on YouTube. Her name is Jessica Hoffman, I think. Her YouTube channel is called I'm a Cool Mom. And she made these a while back, probably a couple of years ago or a year ago, something like that. And so there's a pocket up here. And it's just using an envelope and some index cards. And there's a pocket here. So, and then it slides down and slides back up like that. And on the back, I used, excuse me, I used some mounting tape to hold it up from the page a little bit. So let me get you on the tripod and we will try to film this again. If this video fails, then I'm just going to wait for another day to do it. I've done it this will be my 4th time. So I'm just going to glue this small envelope shut. I use 2 envelopes. I use one of these small envelopes and one of the larger ones that are like this. So, and I just use that, and you can see it's short because I've been cutting strips off it. So I just cut a like a little cuff off it because that's what's going to fit around. It's going to glue onto our index card and fit around the envelope like this. And then our index card will, this is a pocket, this is I've sewed 2 together. So that's going to glue onto this piece and it's going to slide up and down. So get that glued. Now we're going to cut the top off our envelope. Just a little sliver off the tippy top. And then we'll put a little thumb hole. Right about there. And just soften that, curve that up a little softer so that it looks like that. Okay, so I'm going to take our little cuff that we cut, and you want it to be, you don't want it to be too wide, but you want it somewhat like that. So we're going to glue that on as straight as we can get it. I guess the good thing about making all those videos is I got lots of stuff, pockets to put in my journals that I make in the future, or whatever I decide to do with them. So I'm trying to be optimistic about that. And not let it get me down. Alright, so one thing I want to point out is wherever you decide to put your hole for your pocket opening, So if it's on this side, you'll want it on this side of your journal page. Because the only reason I say that is because it might be a little bit harder if it's on the fold of your journal near the spine. It might be harder to take it in and out. So just a note for you guys. You can do whatever you decide to do, but that's just an idea. So I'm not going to decorate this one because, well, why not? Why not? Let me sit down. It'll be easier on my back. Where did I put my, now I can't find anything. There it is. So we'll put a little bit of script stamp on here. Just some random script stamp. And maybe we'll do a little bit on here too. There we go. Then we'll ink around those edges and grunge them up a little bit. We'll do that to this too. There. So then we're just going to open our little flap up and put our envelope through. So now I want this top piece to be flush with the top of the envelope. That's where I want it to stop. So I'm going to put my mounting tape right here at that line. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but I'm going to have to cut my mounting tape a little bit smaller so that it will fit. And a piece right there. And then we want a piece at the bottom. The bottom doesn't matter. Not to me anyway. If you want to pull that down so that it's flush. Look, it's almost perfect. It's almost flush with the bottom. Not quite, but almost. And you can see where I didn't get it straight. I didn't get this, well, wait a minute. No, I didn't get it straight. But that's all right. I'll put this in my journal. So that's what our piece is going to look like. And when it's in your journal, you'll also be able to tuck stuff in behind it too. So just an idea. So there we go, ladies. There is our Slidey Heidi pocket. Slidey Heidi secret pocket. Thingamajiggy. Okay. All right. I'm starting to get a little bit goofy. Nothing wrong with that, right? Okay. I'm going to go. And hopefully this video did not fail on me. Kind of scared to see. All right. Bye. Wait, I'm going to have to take it out of the tripod, I think. Okay. I'm scared. Bye.